I can explain you the complete history of Apple and iPhone from its revolutionary products to scams and controversies. Only if you slow down the playback speed to 0.5x, then we are good to go.
Sorry for this robotic audio because I'm doing a questionable experiment. This will make more sense with video's performance. So it begins in San Francisco with Steve Jobs' birth on 24th February 1995. He was obsessed with mechanical and electronic stuff but showed no interest in school studies. On top of that, he was bullied there. So he joined Home State High School where he met Steve Wozniak for the first time and got tired with their similar interests in computer evolving very rapidly from its ancestor abacus. In 1972, he joined Reed College but dropped out after a semester without telling his parents because it felt like absolute time waste to him. Yet he attended the classes he liked, like calligraphy. Spoiler alert, this was very important for Apple's success. Those days, he slept on friends' hostels floors, recycled bottles, and went to Hare Krishna temple for food. He joined Atari in 1994 as a game dev and came to India for 8 months to unlock his spiritual side and gain self-belief and courage to start Apple Computers on April 1976 from his garage in Palo Alto, California. Few months ago, Steve Wozniak made Blue Box that can be used to make long-distance calls for free. They tried to sell it but failed. Wozniak made a circuit board, Apple One, that users had to connect with different parts themselves to operate. This bought $30,000 and proved the potential of computer market. It was not beginner friendly though, so Woz installed other parts to make it a complete personal computer, and Jobs handled the job of making it look beautiful. As a result, it exceeded Apple's net worth to $2 billion. Soon it got listed on public stock market and made its investors millionaires. Team expanded, but then Apple III, Macintosh, and Lisa failed in a row. Management team was mad on Jobs because Macintosh was produced under him, so they fired him from his own company and launched more flop craps. Apple was about to get bankrupt, so Jobs was called to make CEO Gill and 3,000 people jobless, merge Apple Next and Pixar, and cancel 70% of projects. iMac of 1988 made Apple's comeback, followed by iPod to make it easy to scroll through songs. A touchscreen was planned for its next version. Jobs did not want it to make rap like BlackBerry, so gave his employees few years to make something perfect. The revolutionary iPhone was launched, combining every essential device in a palm. It was followed by App Store to prevent it from being useless like Lisa. iPad was launched in 2010 for kids to watch brain rot. Then Tim Cook became CEO to let Jobs rest in peace cause of cancer, but Apple went only up from there with its premium brand value. That got some backlash around 2016 for using malpractices to make people buy more Apple products. Soon growth normalized and continued till Apple Vision Pro boosted it again, but faced backlash again cause of scam iPhone 16 in September.